Alright, Mr. Arrow, here's a tutorial for you. Basically, this is about the RCON thing I was telling you about. Now, how you're going to do this is you're going to put an RCON password, right? And you're going to put an Oasis. That's the password I set for it. Now that you've done that, it's very simple. Just type in RCON, and it's not actually Recon, it's RCON. It stands for Remote Control. RCON, and then TF bot. I actually got a bunch of heavy bots on here right at this second, so we're gonna kick them all. Now, if you want to add bots, you would go RCON space, nothing else, just a space, simple space, TF bot, add, and say like Scout 5. If it doesn't say anything, you'll usually see a bunch of scouts come to the server, and some of the time they won't move most of the time because they're bots and they don't have a mesh to move on because they need a specialized height map mesh to move. So basically you would go RCON SV cheats 1, but do not input this right now when there are people on. Always generate meshes for every map you want to practice on before people are playing in the morning or something. Like chess v cheats 1. After you put that in, you would put in nav generate, and after that you would have to change back to the map you were previously on because it will change you to some random map in the map list. But you'll have a nav after that because it will change the map and shit. It's stupid. Anyways, yeah. So RCON password Oasis, put that in, and then just put an RCON space, just a space, and then things you need to use like TF bot add pyro, let's say 3 2. See, we got 2 pyros now. RCON TF bot kick all. They're all gone. Kick basically removes them. You can also use other commands like TF bot keep class after death, which is useful. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, Mr. Arrow. And there's no sound TF2 because it's too distracting with my weak ass sick voice because I am sick as a doggy. So goodbye, Mr. Guy. Goodbye. I hope we see each other